Well, we got back late last night from Volcano National Park. It was a long drive, and we got back really late, actually. So we fell asleep. Yeah, we didn't get back to about 10 o'clock. But we're getting all packed up for a new day. We plan to jump over to Hilo, maybe visit Akaka Falls and Rainbow Falls, and listen to the Gypsy app, which we have advertised for Gypsy heavily on this trip, but I'll do it again and say it's well worth the money. We honestly do everything on that app that the professional tour guides do, and we do it for hundreds of dollars cheaper, which is awesome. So check it out if you ever come to the islands. It's well worth the money. We'll see you on the road. Hello, here we go, off to Hilo. Let the fun begin.
Here we are at Waipio Valley Lookout, and we've got Ollie and Dad. They're ready to go. You excited? This is supposed to be very beautiful. This is the only way to get there because it's so steep that only four-wheel drive vehicles are allowed to drive down into the valley. Otherwise you're gonna die, right?
Yeah, otherwise they have to tow you out.
Yep.
This is actually fun. We were on the road to Hilo, and Gypsy told us to stop here and check it out. We said, what the heck? We'll take a 10-minute tour,
what the
or a
heck?
10-minute walk, and walk around.
Why not? Oh, look at the beach.
I'll show you what it's like down there.
What do you think?
That's gorgeous. Black sand beach down at the bottom.
Day. Where are we, Dad?
What's it called? Forget.
Really pretty outlook.
Outlook. That'll tell us where we are.
Laupa Hoi Hoi.
Hoi Hoi. U.S. Army Corps of Engineers. Thanks, guys. Appreciate it. All you've done. Looks like you just threw a bunch of rocks in the ocean.
Thanks a lot.
Good. Oh, did you get that on film? So we stopped for lunch.
What's it called?
I don't know, this New York Prados. This nice New York pizza style cafe. It was delicious. And then, I don't know if you can tell, right across the way it has a woodshop gallery for fine art. The lady there makes homemade ice cream, and we got the chocolate macadamia nut and the banana storm, which had banana, strawberry, Oreo fused together, and it was delicious. We're enjoying our meal when all of a sudden Oliver decides to have a blowout. And when I say blowout,
Honestly, there's been much worse. Not in our lives, but in other people's lives. Bryn, Bennett, I'm looking at you.
but it was a blowout. It was the biggest one for Oliver. I think that went down as the biggest in his book. Check it. Yeah, it went all over his burp cloth, then all over Lauren's shirt. And now we're on to Akaka Falls. Go figure. Everybody.
is like botanical garden on steroids.
With Oliver wide open.
Oh, that's a good Oliver. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, he's hungry too.
Haha. Pretty.
And we made it. Here is the majestic Akaka Falls. And the little thug. Anywho. Alright.
I'm hot.
Me too.
Let's go.
Alright.
Nice to meet you. Hi. Hi. I only have $1 in cash, but how does this work?
Which one do you want?
Which one do I want? Well, what can I get for $1?
2 bananas.
2 bananas?
Yeah.
Deal. That's a deal. I'll take it. Who do I pay?
Give her a little bit more.
Oh, thank you. Well, I'll take the 2 bananas.
Chicken's the one you like.
So I would suggest.
What do you? Yeah. What do you recommend?
Yeah, the apples are good. They're really good. Oops.
Oh, ready. Can you
I'll give it 3.
Oh wow! Thank you. You are just fine. I got what I paid for sure. You guys are really sweet. Thank you so much. Well, we're on Oahu right now. Yeah, yeah. But we love it here. It's beautiful.
Yeah, look how many fruits we got.
I know they're beautiful. We're gonna send this home to family so they can see and hopefully come back with us next time.
Sure, I can introduce you each fruit and
Sure.
names and stuff. This is a queen of fruits called mangosteen.
Beautiful.
Can I give her this? That's just beautiful.
Yeah, this one's Chico Sapodilla. It's like a brown sugar.
Oh, beautiful. Wow, Chico
Yeah,
Sapodilla.
I'll give you a sample. This is a cocoa cacao. Like this. Make chocolate out of it.
Beautiful.
Here, you can sample it.
Thank you. Yeah.
So, what do you want to do with the seed?
Okay.
And you want to suck on it like it's a candy. You don't want to bite it because it's a bitter.
Okay.
So, that's a good taste of cacao. This is 2 different varieties of avocado. This is white guava. Super sweet and sour at the same time. It's really tasty. This we call passion fruit or
Lily.
salak or snake fruit.
Ooh, what does that taste like?
It has a white texture and it's crispy white. And
I don't like being like
this we call egg fruit.
everybody
It has a texture dry like yolk and it tastes like sweet pumpkin.
Oh, yum.
It's much better than the sour sap, probably, you know. Exotic, also sour sweet. They remind me of bubble gum.
Really? That looks really neat too.
This is a gold yellow pineapple and this is a white pineapple.
Oh.
Yeah, that's the best one.
Is that better tasting?
Oh my gosh, yeah.
Really?
It's exotic, yeah.
Mmm.
This is the mountain apple. Papaya.
Yum. Mangoes.
Mangoes and lychee.
Lychee. I love lychee. Didn't you guys grow all of this on your farm?
Yeah, it's most of them from the farm, but we have neighbors from the neighbor town. They bring it all over here.
Oh, wow.
From this area.
Wow. Well, you guys do a great job. Everything's beautiful.
Yeah, thank you.
And the cocoa is delicious.
Oh, okay.
I'm excited to share these with my husband. Thank you so much. Aloha.
We've made it to the second waterfall of today, Rainbow Falls. Rainbow Falls. And a sleepy baby.
He's missing it.
Look at this. Oh. So pretty. Shaka lady. Off on the rest of the tour.
Where are we, Pierce?
Bonus waterfall. Boiling pots.
Ooh. Oh. That's pretty.
That looks like Sacred Falls.
Like the one in Road to Hana?
Yeah.
It's pretty.
I gotta
Ollie,
change
what do
this
you
diaper.
change a diaper?
Yeah. Gotta change
Probably.
that diaper. Change that diaper. To the Batcave. Oh. Yes. We're going down into that.
Watch out, Ollie.
There's a dragon down there.
Oh.
This reminds me of a scene right out of Narnia.
This is crazy.
Which one's on the left or right?
Left or right? Obviously right. Choose the right.
Choose the right.
This is cool.
There's some flashlights. I wish we did. We brought our phones. Yeah.
Where's the bats?
Anna's like, I don't know how I feel about this, you guys. You can see people way back.
Hello.
And it goes back 25 miles.
Is that all?
Is that all she says? 25 miles, that's not long. Alright, so this is pretty nuts. Lauren and I are going through Hilo, and we wanted to stop by and go through Banyan Drive. You want to tell us a little bit about Banyan Drive?
Yeah, so it's a big street that's kind of surrounded by a garden, and on the other side is this really pretty little bay. And essentially, these famous people would be invited to come and plant a banyan tree on this road, so they have like kind of a walk of fame for people at the time. And there's like Babe Ruth and Amelia Earhart that have planted trees here.
Franklin Roosevelt.
Yeah, like really amazing famous people. And we were driving around and I found this tree, which kind of blew us out of the water, but this is one of Pierce's relatives.
So we were driving by and Lauren says, hey, there's Heber J. Grant. Slammed on the brakes, ran into that parking lot right here. And look at this, back in 1993. Sorry, 1935. Wow, gave him a few years, huh? My great-great-grandfather came and planted this banyan tree down in Hilo.
That's Ollie's what?
Great-grandfather.
Grandpa?
Yeah, that's, you know, almost 100 years ago. On this ground, he stood with a shovel in hand and planted a little banyan tree.
It's pretty cool.
Pretty cool.
We saw people, they're walking around looking up the different people, the famous names of these people. And it's kind of cool to have a prophet planting a tree over here. It's kind of awesome.
It's kind of nuts. Anyway, way to go, great-great-grandpa.